In this tutorial, we'll be looking at the Page Controller UI component and how this can be used in carousels. The Page Controller UI has dots that are actually buttons, each linking to a different page. You can either tap on a button directly or swipe left and right to change pages. The active button has to visually stand out, usually with a distinct color. Let's begin. We'll be needing a scrollable container, so we've created a horizontally scrollable one and included it in the onboarding screen. If you're not familiar with scrollable containers, we suggest you first go through the relevant tutorial. Let's bring in a Page Controller component from the UI component library under the iOS library. We'll change some of its properties to match our project, such as its size and position, as well as its color. From the Properties Inspector, we'll set the Active button to Button 1. To make sure that the active button of the Page Controller is highlighted each time we swipe left or right on the carousel, we'll need to add the appropriate interaction. Trigger, Container Page Change. Action, Sync Page Controller Item. Screen, Onboarding, and Item, Page Controller. Let's now save our project and preview in the player. We see that the active page indicator changes each time we swipe to a different page in the carousel. The next thing we'll do is to add interactions to the Page Controller dots so that when we tap on any of them, the carousel scrolls to the corresponding page. Let's select the first dot and set up an interaction as follows. Trigger, Tap. Action, go to Snap Container Page. Screen, Onboarding. Item, Onboarding Carousel, and horizontally, Page 1. Similarly, we can add interactions to the other dots. To save time, let's copy and paste the interaction we just created. However, we'll need to edit the new interactions so that each dot leads to the corresponding container page. Let's save and preview our project in the player. We see that tapping on the different dots makes the container change pages accordingly, just as intended. Thanks for watching.